Next up is Hostinger, which offers one of the fastest ways to get a full website up and running using AI. Hostinger is mainly known as a hosting platform, but their AI website builder has become a solid option for beginners who want a well-rounded experience at a great price. It's best if you're on a budget and want something simple. I also found it one of the easiest to use, even as a first-time user. The process starts immediately with the AI generator. You enter your brand name and a short description, and Hostinger builds the full site from that. If you don't like the result, you can regenerate the design as many times as you'd like. Or, if you'd rather skip the AI, you can start from a pre-made template instead. I preferred my template example with Hostinger, but either way, the result is a slick-looking site with all of the pages already created and linked together, which helps speed things up. In the editor, the layouts follow a grid system with snapping enabled. It gives you less control than Wix and feels closer to Squarespace. It may even be simpler than Squarespace, but the trade-off is a more intuitive editing experience. If you don't need the control, it's easy to move things around and get a clean, functional layout without fighting the interface. You also get 50 AI credits to generate content and images. Each time you generate, Hostinger gives you 2 image options to pick from, which is a nice touch. And I also tested the AI logo generator included in the business plan, which was okay for a simple line art logo. One downside is that you have to pay upfront for Hostinger. There's no free plan or trial, but there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can request a refund within 30 days if it isn't working for you. The plan most people will want, the Business Website Builder plan, is about $60 for the first year if you pay up front. That's without any discount, so I'll tell you about a better deal in a minute. But if you're comfortable committing to at least a year, Hostinger is a great way to go. It's an affordable all-in-one solution that gets your site live quickly. The editing is simple, and while its AI images and copies aren't as strong as 10Webs, it offers more generative functionality than Squarespace. It's ideal for small business owners, freelancers, or anyone who wants the simplicity of a bundled AI builder and hosting plan.